Tarragon cream mushroom gratin. Mushrooms, shallot, tarragon, chicken stock, cream, breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese. Did I do the garlic?
No.
1 clove of garlic. First, we'll chop our shallot kind of finely, and I like to get the outer skin off because it's a little tough sometimes on these. So I just score gently along here and pick at it and just remove this first layer, and underneath it's all bright and shiny and fresh like a baby. And the tarragon. Garlic. Just 1 clove is enough in this. We don't want it too garlicky. Now, the mushrooms. If you're going to be posh, if you're having a dinner party and you really want this to be special, which it is anyway, probably you could leave out the stalk. I'm not posh, I don't care, so it all goes in. And there we have it. Shallots, tarragon, garlic, and our mushrooms are ready to go. We're gonna take them over to the skillet. Welcome to the stove. Medium heat, extra virgin olive oil, and a polite amount of butter. Bubbling and sizzling nicely. Once the butter is all melted, we are ready to go with our ingredients. We'll start with the shallots. Give them a little stir around. Don't wait too long because we don't want them to get overcooked. And then we're just going to add the mushrooms. We really want these to be nicely browned, and that's when they're done. They will reduce in size and they'll be nice and brown around the edges, golden. That's what we want, and then we'll go the next step. These are browning nicely. They're almost done. We didn't put the garlic and the tarragon in the beginning because they would get overcooked. So we're almost done with the browning here. Let's just turn these a little bit. Oh yeah, they're perfect. So this is the time to add the garlic. This is also the time to add the tarragon. A little white wine. As usual, when you add alcohol to a dish, you want to give it time to burn off the alcohol just to get rid of that alcohol flavor. You don't want that, you just want the wine flavor. Now you can see how this is turning brown. It's picking up the brown from the bottom of the pan and the mushrooms, and it is starting to look just fantastic. I want plenty of the cream sauce, so I'm gonna add a little bit of chicken stock at this point. Like my Auntie Beryl. She looked like a mushroom. Everything's bubbling nicely. Let's add the cream. It's a beautiful golden color, just tremendous. Need to thicken this just a little before making it into a gratin, which is basically the breadcrumbs and cheese and into the grill. So we're gonna thicken it with just plain old cornstarch and water and just drizzle some around and then check for consistency. I didn't put salt in because I want this to be perfectly seasoned, and in dishes like this I wait till the end. So I'm just gonna taste it now and see if we have enough of that tarragon, how it's doing. It's almost perfect, but it does need a little salt. Always retaste. Perfect. For the topping, we just add our cheese to the breadcrumbs, get those nicely mixed together, and just a little splash of olive oil. Give it a good mix. This is not a grill-safe pan, so I'm going to transfer now to a pie dish, which will work under the grill. cannot leave the good stuff in the pan. Let's make sure we get all of that. Although a nice piece of bread at this stage would go down really well. Topping will go on for the gratin. Tarragon cream mushroom gratin was only under the grill for about 4 or 5 minutes, and it browned beautifully. It smells tremendous. Just needs a little greenery sprinkled over the top to make it extra special. And then we just need to taste it. Incidentally, lemon does go quite well with this. If you like lemon, you can squeeze a little over the top and it just brightens this. I'm gonna try it without first. Here we go. It is a luxurious dish. It's great as a side dish. Even in the holidays, you can pair it with fish, meat, chicken, whatever you want. I hope you enjoyed it. You're always welcome right here in the kitchen. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, leave a comment, ring the bell. We will see you next time.